This from the top of our house. We're in the penthouse. And this is Sharjah. This is Rolla, honey. That is the Rolla Park. There. That's a Rolla Park. You can search it in Google. There's this one. Yeah. We're on the penthouse. 8th floor. See? There's a lot of roundabouts here. This is an old house of the Sheikh. See that? A canyon. See? Still working. There you are. See? These are the people. See how they smoke. There. There you are. There's a fort area. There. See? That's far from our house. There you are. This is where I live. This is Sharjah. A lot of buildings. A lot of cars. See? Today is Friday, that's why it's so busy. There you are.